guys, what's up? Sin here. So I recently found this video on Buzzfeed called the microwave cheesecake. It looked pretty interesting, so I thought it'd be fun to make it exactly the way Buzzfeed created it and rate it. So here goes. Here are the ingredients that you will need. In a bowl, add the cream cheese, the sour cream, vanilla extract, sugar, 1 egg white, and the flour. Go ahead and start mixing the batter. So once the batter is mixed, just go ahead and add 1/3 cup of crushed Oreos and continue mixing until well combined. Once your batter is ready to go, add the rest of your crushed Oreos into your mug as a base, and then add your batter. Make sure to microwave your cheesecake in 15-second increments. So according to Buzzfeed, you stop cooking once the center starts to bubble and the cheesecake appears firm. And we're all done. So, I mean, it looks good, it smells good, it looks like cheesecake. So let's give it a shot. This cheesecake was pretty bland in my opinion. I think the Oreos are what really even gave it any flavor to begin with. It was spongy and the consistency kind of reminded me of an omelet. This recipe was trying to cheesecake, but it could not cheesecake. I give this microwave cheesecake a 1.2 out of 5.